Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. It is September 2021. Oh my gosh, it seems like it had just turned August, but here we are, a new month. Okay, so new month, new package. This is my ASC Crafts design team package for September, and one of the things that I did receive was the art glitter glue, and I got the 16-ounce bottle. Guys, you know I use a lot of glue. And then I ordered, I'm so excited about this one, I ordered the Blue Fern Studios a silk ribbon. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it is so pretty, guys. It is so pretty. It looks like it belongs on a really fancy dancy project. I don't know. It's so pretty. I think I want to make a bow or use it on a mini album. I'm not sure, but I just thought this was so pretty, and it's silk. It feels so nice. But anyway, so I did get that. The item number for that is 32106. We'll see what I use it on. I don't know what I'll use it on, but we'll see. So there's that. So pretty. Another item that I ordered were the metal embellishments, which are the little pumpkins. And this one goes with the collection 31. And this item number is 16362. Guys, they did get the new collections from Prima. The one that says 31. It's so pretty. But so these, I don't know that I'm gonna use them for Halloween, but these are so pretty. I thought I might use them for the fall instead, because the fall I'm also doing the pink, you know, the pink and fall colors. So I did order these. These are so pretty. And then I ordered the new Dracula coffin by Whimsy Stamps. I love this size coffin because you know, it works for mini albums and whatnot. Dracula's coffin set, Whimsy Shapeology, Whimsy Stamps. Okay, so that item number is 20104, and look at these tiny little grave, you know, headstones. Those are so cute. And of course, you know, we can cut these out. It doesn't have to be like, remember guys, I'm doing pink. It doesn't have to be black, or we can cut it out in different colors to match whatever it is that we are making. So I picked up these, but I picked up another one as well. I picked up the Happy Halloween. Just love that font. I should have cut it out so you guys could see what it looks like. But all the letters are connected, so it makes it so much easier when we're having to glue it down. So all the letters are connected. Item number is 20102. And again, that is Whimsy Stamps. So I ordered those two dies. And then the last thing that I ordered was the Monster Mash. This is Photoplay by Photoplay. Item number is 13306. And I've already opened it so I can show you guys what it looks like. So this is the top page, and I like it because it comes with stickers. You don't have to order the stickers separately, so I love that. So this is their front page, and then this is the first page, and you get 2 of each design. So these are the cut aparts. I just love those. I'm just here for the candy. That's so cute. This is so pretty. I love these colors for Halloween. And the back is a page full of pumpkins. I like this orange. And then this is the next page. This one is called Costume Party. And that's so cute. You know, Dracula and, you know, the characters, the traditional Halloween characters. So I just love that purple. And this is the back. This one is, of course, all the spider webs. And this one is called Itsy Bitsy Spider. And look at the back of this one, guys. That's so pretty. I like both of them. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love that. And then this is the next one, another cut aparts. I like this seam right here. I really do. So that's a cut apart page. Oh, that one's so adorable. And then the back. So this page is called Spooky. And then this one is 31 October. That one's pretty. And then, oh, I really like this one. Look at that. Oh, I love that one. And then this one is called Boo. It's just a polka dot with all the little spiders on there. And then the back has ghosts on a purple background. So pretty. And then this one is their sticker page. That is so pretty. Just love that. So that was my order for September 2021. I have something special planned for this, guys. But that was my order for September 2021. I can't wait to start actually creating again. I haven't been feeling my best, so I've had a severe sinus infection that it's been over 2 weeks now. It's almost 3 weeks, but I feel like it's getting a little bit better, so I think that I'm on my way to getting better. What I can't get rid of is, you know, this nagging cough, which I feel like it's changing my voice because I'm quite raspy right now. So anyway, this was my haul, my design team haul for ASC Crafts. I'm gonna have all the links in the description box. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to everyone later. Guys, you have a great day.